Hello, but hello, I am Aditya Bhattar, leader of Team Self-Dot. We've devised a solution for problem statement 1330. So without a further delay, let me provide a brief overview of our concept. We have proposed to create an AI-powered automation solution to convert textual press releases into engaging videos. In our solution, entire process of going from press releases in text format to video format includes 5 steps. First is to acquire the press releases in text format from PIB. This can be achieved in two ways. One by regular monitoring and scraping of PIB website, and the second one is by providing PIB team access to our API endpoints so that those can be triggered when the press releases are to be done. Second is when we acquire the text from PIB team, we will employ an LLM model to contextualize the text and create frame-wise scripts for the video generation, and also to create relevant queries to fetch visual assets relevant to the context of the video. Once we have the script and the visual assets that are to be used in the video, we would be using those to generate audio files using Google TTS model or 11 Labs API in various possible local languages to cater the wider range of audiences. One thing here to take a note of is that the visual assets that are being used in the video are freshly generated using ML model that is trained using the data pertained to Indian context. This way, there won't be an issue of copyright whatsoever, and the model will get better and better as it gets exposed to more and more data. Once we have all the media uh, for the video generation, it is passed to our video processing service, which will be responsible to produce end video using all those file passed to it. Now when we have the final video, the relevant PIB vetting officer is notified using the email. If they decide to approve the video, it will then be scheduled for uploadation on the relevant social media services. If, however, the video is rejected, the data along with the feedback will be used to train the model and process. And the process is repeated from the part where the assets are fetched for video generation. Some of the salient features of our solution is that it automates the entire workflow from acquiring press releases to generating scripts for video creation to producing audio files to generating the end video, which will save a lot of time and energy for all the stakeholders included. Uh, okay, other than that, when for some reason the video is rejected by the vetting officer, the feedback will be used to train the ML model so that the quality of the asset it produces increases with time. Now, coming to the business potential of our solution. Rather than only providing this service to PIB, the software could be turned into a SaaS startup which provides streamlined AI assisted content management and creation services. Now, in the era of reduced attention span, information in video format could be considered as a better way of communicating with any kind of audiences. So here is the flow diagram of 5 steps I explained a minute earlier. New press releases are made. The text is acquired from PIB portal. It is then contextualized using LLM. Then the LLM is prompted to generate scripts for the video with timestamp for each frames. Relevant assets are fetched from our ML model. When we have all the final media for the video, those are sent to the video processing service where all the assets are stitched into the final video. Once we have the final video, it is then sent to the relevant PIB officer, and based on whether he accepts or rejects the video, the process continues. That is, if he accepts the video, it is scheduled for uploading on relevant social media services. If he rejects the video, the data along with the feedback is then sent to our ML model, and the entire process is repeated from the part where the video scripts were generated. To achieve this, although many different specific technologies would be used, but the major ones are Node and Express.js to write entire backend code, machine learning to generate audio plus visual assets for the end video. As we are relied heavily on the use of LLM, LangChain would be useful for streamlining its uses and employ relevant prompt engineering techniques to get better results. Next is Node Mailer. It will be used to handle communication with a PIB officer. Then cron jobs and message queues that will be used to automate the process of uploading the approved video on the relevant social media platforms. Then Google Cloud Services for generating audio assets using Google text to speech service models and hosting overall backend. Given the ambitious nature of our solution, we've identified potential hurdles. First are the cost considerations. Since certain components of the project rely on commercially available machine learning model, affordability can become a significant concern. Fortunately, LangChain offers a straightforward solution, that is, replacing the ML model is as simple as modifying the model name in the code. Second one is the video quality challenge. Initially, managing the video quality with limited data set for our ML model might be a challenging task. However, we maintain a positive outlook. With accumulation of more data and feedback from PIB team, we anticipate a continuous improvement in video quality over time. I would like to thank you for your time and consideration. Thank you.